Fade out is a really easy thing to do. So I'm over here in the timeline and I did plus to zoom in a little bit. You can do minus to zoom out. And I also have this here so you can drag it to be a little bit bigger so you can see this line that you see going across here is the volume. So what we want to do is just have that fade out. If you don't see that volume, you can right click on here and say show clip keyframes and show your volume. You can see I have level selected there. So if you don't see your line there, go right click on that and get it. So this line here, we just want it to fade off. That's the volume line. So if I get my pen tool, I can put a point right here, and then I can put another point where I want the volume to end and just drag it all the way down to the bottom. Now when I zoom out, or when I rewind a little bit and play, you see it fades out. So you can adjust the speed of it if you want to like move it a little bit more this way, or if you want the volume fade to start a little bit sooner, you can just edit these keyframes that you made with the pen tool.